Hello! Welcome to the very first episode of the Max English Podcast. My name is Emma, and I am your teacher.
And hello, everyone. My name is Max. I am a student, and I am so happy to be here today.
We are happy to have you, Max. Today, we are going to learn how to speak English naturally. We will start with the basics. Are you ready?
Yes, Emma, I'm ready. I want to learn and practice.
Perfect. Let's start with greetings. Max, when you see a person in the morning, what do you say?
I say good morning.
Exactly. Good morning. And if it is the afternoon?
Good afternoon.
Great. And at night?
I say good night.
Wait, Max. Good night is for when you are leaving or going to sleep. When you meet someone at night, you say good evening.
Oh, I understand. If I meet a friend at 8 p.m., I say good evening. If I go to bed, I say good night.
You got it. Now let's practice the most common question. How are you? Max, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am doing great. Max, you can also say, I am doing well, or I am good.
I am doing well. I like that. It sounds more natural.
Yes. To the listeners, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. How are you today? Pause 3 seconds. Excellent. Now, Max, let's talk about numbers. Numbers are everywhere. Let's count from 1 to 10 together. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was easy.
Good. But numbers are used for telling time. Max, look at your watch. What time is it?
It is 10? No, it is 10 o'clock.
Correct. It is 10 o'clock. What if it is 10:30?
We say 10:30?
Yes, or 10:30. In America, people usually say 10:30. Max, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
That is early. And what time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30. I like to eat early.
Let's talk about food. I am a bit hungry. Max, what is your favorite food?
I love pizza and apples. Apples are very healthy.
Yes, they are. For breakfast, I usually eat bread and eggs. Do you like eggs?
No, I don't like eggs. I like milk in cereal.
Milk is good. What about drinks? Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love hot coffee. I drink coffee every morning.
Listen carefully to the question. What do you like to eat? Max, ask me that question.
Emma, what do you like to eat?
I like pasta and green salad. Max, let's learn the days of the week. Today is Friday. What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Saturday, and then Sunday.
Correct. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend. Do you work on the weekend, Max?
No, I don't work. I rest. I watch movies and I sleep.
That sounds like a perfect weekend. Look around our studio, Max. What do you see on the table?
I see a laptop, a notebook, and 2 mugs.
Very good. And what am I holding?
You are holding a pen.
Yes, I use a pen to write. To the listeners, look around you. Find an object. Point to it and say, this is a chair, or this is a window. Let's practice. Let's practice.
I am pointing to the microphone. This is a microphone.
Good job, Max. You are learning very fast. Max, imagine we are at a restaurant. I am the waiter. You are the customer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello, welcome. What would you like to drink?
I would like 1 water, please.
Excellent. Anything else?
Can I have a red apple?
Max, people don't usually order apples at a restaurant. Maybe a sandwich?
Oh, yes. I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
Perfect. I would like is a very polite way to ask for something. Before we end today's episode, let's do a review. I will ask 5 questions. Max and the listeners try to answer. How do you say hello in the evening?
Good evening.
What is 5 plus 5?
10.
What is the day after Monday?
Tuesday.
Is a good night for greeting or for leaving?
For leaving.
What do you use to write on paper?
A pen.
Max, you are a star student. And to our listeners, thank you for being with us. Listen to this episode again to remember the words.
Thank you, Emma. I learned a lot today. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in the next lesson.